Yo, what up guys, I'm back with another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to swap from Ethereum into audio. First of all, you gotta go and open your browser, and of course you gotta write coinmarketcap.com in your browser again. And then you gotta go to the landing page and click right here. Then you write audio, click on the first, and then it opens for you this page. You have all the information regarding this token. You have the price, you have the market cap, and extra informations that maybe we'll need this. Anyway, but for this tutorial we'll need only this contract address. Alright, so you have to click on this icon right here, copy the address. If this notification shows up, that means you are ready to go to the next step. Okay, nice. Now we go to uniswap.org. This platform will help you transfer from Ethereum into audio. So you click on launch app, and then it opens this beautiful page. Okay, then you go to connect wallet, connect your MetaMask or Wallet Connect or any wallet you want. But in this tutorial I'm going to use MetaMask because it's easy and I love MetaMask, you know. So just write your password and you connect it. For those who doesn't have MetaMask, you can just download it from this metamask.io, and you click on this button right here. You can download it in any browser or even your cell phone. Anyway, you come back here. Now you have the second step. You have to open your MetaMask and then click on your account. You make sure that you are using the Ethereum mainnet or the Ethereum main network, and then to add the token to your wallet, you have to import tokens from this arm right here. Then click like that, and here it is. It's done. Add it, import tokens. Yep, it shows here with the other crypto tokens that you have already in your wallet. Now you go back to Uniswap and then you add it in Uniswap. How to do it? Very simple. You click on select token and you add the address right here. Import token, import, and here you go, ready to go. Now you can swap between Ethereum into audio or from audio into Ethereum by clicking on this arrow right here. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up in the comment and subscribe for more tutorials. See you.